So I've been waiting for the suspension to come back from mighty Maxton so I can get the forks back in, so I can then change the rear shock and get this thing back on the road. Project VFR. So anyway, let's get in to the unboxing of this new stuff. As you can see, literally the suspension arrived yesterday. It hasn't been out of the box. It's literally bringing the VFR back to the future. Nice new suspension. Let's get in to this box and see what we have. Yes, the garage is a state, but hey, it will soon be mended. So a big shout out to Maxton Suspension for doing their very best for this. Ooh, it's exciting! So, what do we have here? Oh, the cat comes to say hello. Marvellous. So, VFR suspension was sent away. I requested for the forks to be serviced, revalved, reconditioned, re-chromed. That must be the... oh, that's obviously the original stuff from the original suspension. Oh, that'll be a new shock. Oh, look. Oh, look. Even comes with a little adjuster tool. Very nice. Look at that in a minute. Suspension packing. Very nice. Essentially, just bags of shredded paper. Very well packaged. Very, very well packaged. And it's come with some stickers as well. Marvellous. So, let's see what good job I've made. Let's move this box out of the way. I'm guessing that's just the old stuff. Yeah, original springs and contents from the original suspension. Right then, let's get a look at these forks, eh? So these forks have been revalved, resprung, re-chromed and ceramic coated. The stanchions themselves were sent away to get re-chromed. Oh, lovely. The forks themselves have been ceramic coated. Oh look, it's even got a sticker on it. Awesome. Wow, that is amazing. I mean, they weren't bad before, but that is, yeah, literally like a brand new set of forks. Essentially is what they are. We have new ceramic coated fork blowers. We have re-chromed stanchions. Looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. I said the finish wouldn't be quite the same as it was with the originals, but I tell you what, they've done an absolutely fantastic job. Really pleased with them. Right then, let's have a look at this new rear shock. Here we go. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. Lovely that is. What a piece of kit. Wow. Right then, let's get this lot on the bike. I can't wait. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.